Switch game, sorry. Let me go back into my old game. What happened? Steve, I missed you. But what happened to all of our stuff? No. Well, I wish we still had the village. Let's go. Let's step back and go to the village. Hurry. What happened to the village? Yeah, pretty much. But you guys, this is who I was talking about. That is our special guest, Steve. I know he doesn't look like Steve, but it's Steve. He just. I need you guys. You know what? After I grab all this wood, we're finna leave in a second, and then we'll come right back to the game. You're not leaving. I'm leaving. I have to go get something. No, I have to go do something, I mean, actually. Okay, I got 10 pieces of wood. I've got a crafting table. What do we need? I need some sticks. You want me to make you a sword?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here you go. Okay, grab your sword and let's roll. We need to go find some sheep. What? Well, pick it up. We need to go find some sheep. No, not really. How are you walking out there? Is there land out there?
What?
I don't see the land.
Oh, there's land. There's land.
I'm not walking out there.
Come on.
I need your meat. No meat?
I know.
You stole it, didn't you?
Look. I brought that. See, purple side, bigger side. Do you see the land yet?
No, still don't.